Tonight's song for the second Thursday of the month with Heather. This is a song I wrote a number of years ago called Stormy Weather, Made a Lover Out of Me. Considering we've had nothing but stormy weather lately, I thought this would be appropriate. Hope you like it. Thank you for the ear. Stormy weather made a lover out of me. Wind's picking up. Oh yeah. The trees are shaking, yeah. Shaking like mad. Better get that flashlight out. That's what he said. Ooh. Lights starting to flicker while preparing the dinner. But candlelight seems more impressive on a night like this. Seems too long since that idea had come along. Busy lives can do that to you. Flashlight, boombox provided the stuff so needed for us. Pizza was sustained.